Before you explore the Summit Empowerment Package and your other bonuses, I want to share one more gift with you. If you've ever found it challenging to stay committed to your health goals, or if you're looking for a motivation while staying up to date on the latest crucial health topics, then you're in for a special treat because we created an offer just for you. But here's the catch. It's only available right now, so keep watching to learn all about it. The Food Revolution Summit is incredible that it only happens once a year. Our goal is not only to help you get all the vital information you need, but also to ensure you can keep implementing what you learn day by day for a lifetime of continued results and progress. Right now, I want to give you 30 days of total access to Food Revolution Network's wildly popular membership community, Whole Life Club, for free. We created Whole Life Club because we believe food is the foundation of health. We believe healthy living should be easy and delicious and based on the latest research. And we know it takes consistency and it takes practice if you want to achieve real results. In Whole Life Club, you'll get new action step videos and checklists delivered every week so you can keep learning, stay inspired, and keep getting healthier steadily and consistently and predictably. You'll also love being able to message our team of leading dietitians and health coaches to get your questions answered. This level of personal support is the gateway to exciting results that you can see and feel. You'll be invited to monthly deep dives with a variety of world-renowned health experts so you don't accidentally miss the most critical updates on disease prevention and other essential health topics. And if you're like me and you enjoy eating healthy whole foods and plant-based meals, you're going to love this. Every week, you'll get a curated batch of recipes, some of the most nutrient-packed and tastiest meals on the planet. You'll be inspired to eat more vegetables and whole foods, and you will not fall back on takeout or unhealthy convenience foods. As soon as you join, you'll get instant access to a vault of hundreds of our most popular recipes and the most current, reputable, and science-backed health guidance on cancer, inflammation, gut health, weight loss, brain health, mental health, and many other topics, so you can have more energy and fewer health hassles and pain now and in your future. Now, I know that sometimes you need a place where you can be totally honest, no matter what's going on, so you can get what you need and make progress that lasts. Once you're inside Whole Life Club, you will become an instant part of a super friendly, welcoming, passionate community that's ready to share what's worked for them, to keep you accountable, to cheer on your wins, and to help you overcome challenges. Whole Life Club is going to help you stick with your healthy eating path for the long term so you can become the healthiest version of you possible. This is why today only I want to invite you to join in for a totally free month. Give Whole Life Club a try on us. If you don't love all the support and the knowledge and the recipes that come with membership, you can easily cancel and you won't have spent a penny. But if you're like most people, you will love it and you will want to keep your membership. And at that point, you'll be enrolled for an annual renewal of just $197 per year. You'll be locking in everything for barely the price of a cup of coffee per week. $378 per week to be exact. We want you to be healthy and vibrant and disease-free into your 70s, your 80s, and beyond. The right diet and lifestyle choices could literally make all the difference. So I want to invite you to just click the button below to unlock everything, all yours to try completely free. This is the place in Food Revolution Network where we see the most profound breakthroughs and powerful health transformations. So all you got to do to join in is click the button below, and I'll see you in Whole Life Club. Let's do this.